It's not just a garage. It's an actual workshop. It's our workshop. JC Tarps. For all our tarps are, our roll. We have all our rolls here, right? 8-foot rolls. Rolls with the tack lines. You come here, cutting channel. It's a 12-foot table. Got our measuring tape here. Finishes that at 12. Any materials that go over, we just mark it. If we need 18, we just add the extra 4, or sorry, the extra 6. You got 18. You got a little heater here. I didn't get to finish the plywood, the sheathing yet, right? Got our heater up here. It's a little heater. It's only the winter time that sucks in here. Most of the time it's really, really good. We got everything we need. All our materials, cutoffs, ends, end cuts and cutoffs. Next year I'm going to upgrade this. I'm going to probably push out this wall, change the window, push out this wall, a little bit more space, right? Because this table takes up most of the room, but we can make it work. We've been making it work for the last 5-6 years, and that's it. We can fit 4 rolls on at a time here. I just upgraded these bars. They used to be, these bars right here. They used to be really, really like I think like an inch. I upgraded it a little thicker to like 2. So that's that. There's our rolls. And that's JC Tarps. Welcome to our shop. So all the cutting is done here. We do all the cutting here. We do all the cutting here. We take it to another location where we sew it. End cuts and cut materials on this side. Right? And that's it. Got to change that light out too. No more, none of these light bulbs. I don't like these kind of lights. I'm going to change it to these ones. And that's it, JC Tarps. This is where all the cutting happens. Measuring, cutting. Thank you.